The STRICH SMH-05W guitar wall mount uses a modular rail system that lets you expand or rearrange hangers as your collection grows, turning your wall into a clean, gallery-style display. Its sturdy aluminum alloy rail and steel hangers feel reassuringly solid, giving multiple guitars a secure home instead of balancing them on floor stands. The 5 included hangers can be angled and rotated to accommodate different body shapes and headstocks, so everything from electric guitars to basses and smaller stringed instruments fits neatly. Soft rubber padding and removable safety rings cradle each neck without scuffing the finish, while also helping prevent instruments from being knocked out of place. Because the rail sections are pre-drilled and designed to splice together, installation is straightforward for most wall types if you take normal care with drilling and anchors. Once installed, the wall rack noticeably frees up floor space in a studio or practice room and makes it much easier to grab the instrument you want at a glance.